If you're in IT, you know AI is everywhere. But you also probably know the real headache isn't just building some cool AI model, it's actually making it work in the real world, day in and day out. That's where MLOps comes in, and that's what we're going to break down today. This is the discipline that really closes the gap between AI's promise and its actual delivery.
All right, just a quick heads up before we dive in. What we're doing here is a high-level overview. If you want to go way deeper, and I mean really get into the nuts and bolts, the full tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC is where you'll want to go. Think of this as the perfect starting point.
So let's kick things off with a number that should really make you sit up and pay attention. 87%. According to industry research, that is the percentage of machine learning projects that never make it into production. That's an absolutely staggering failure rate. Just think about all the time, the money, and the brainpower that just disappears. It really makes you wonder, right? With all this hype and all this investment being poured into AI, why is there such a massive disconnect between a model that looks great on a laptop and one that actually adds value to a business? Well, the answer lies in what we can call the hidden AI problem. And it's all about this fundamental clash between how these models get built and what it actually takes to run them reliably, at scale, in the wild. This here really hits the nail on the head. Over on one side, you've got the science project. It's an experimental model built in a nice, clean, isolated environment. But on the other side, you've got what a business actually needs, a production-grade asset that's reliable, scalable, and totally secure. That broken bridge in the middle, that's the chasm where 87% of projects fall. And this, right here, is precisely where MLOps enters the picture. It's not just another buzzword to throw around. It's the disciplined, engineered solution that is specifically designed to build that bridge. So what is it, really? At its heart, MLOps is about taking all those battle-tested principles from DevOps, automation, CI/CD, constant monitoring, and applying them to the very unique, very quirky lifecycle of a machine learning model. It's about bringing some serious engineering discipline to the world of data science. And this shows that lifecycle perfectly. It is a continuous loop, not a straight line. You develop the model, sure. Then you deploy it into production. You serve up predictions, probably through an API. And then, and this is the part that so many people miss, you have to monitor its performance constantly. Because that monitoring, it feeds right back into the next round of development. It's a cycle of constant data-driven improvement. Now, let's get to the most important part of this whole conversation. What does all this mean for you? Because MLOps isn't some brand new field you have to learn from the ground up. It's about taking the skills you already have and supercharging them for the age of AI. You do not have to start from scratch here. Seriously. If you already understand infrastructure, automation, and how to monitor systems, you are way more than halfway there. MLOps is all about adapting those powerful concepts you already know to the specific needs of data and models. I mean, just look at how neatly this maps out. You're already an expert in CI/CD for code, right? Well, in MLOps, you're just building CI/CD pipelines for models. You use get for version control. In MLOps, you extend that to version your data and your models. You manage infrastructure as code. Now you're just using it to create reproducible ML environments. And just like you monitor apps for bugs, in MLOps you monitor for things like model drift, which is just a fancy way of saying the model's predictions are getting worse over time because the real world has changed. See, your expertise is directly transferable.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but what does that path actually look like for me? Let's talk about the very real, very tangible career opportunity that's sitting right in front of you.
The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics is projecting a 23% growth in IT jobs through 2033. That's huge. And guess what? MLOps is one of the absolute fastest growing specializations inside that trend. The demand is just exploding because companies are finally waking up to the fact that having a smart model is useless if you can't actually run it properly. And here's what that core skill set looks like. Yeah, okay, you might need to get comfortable with Python and some basic ML frameworks, but look at the rest of this list. Cloud platforms, DevOps tools, data engineering, systems knowledge. As an IT pro, you already have a massive head start here. You're not building from scratch, you're building on a rock-solid foundation. This quote really just says it all, doesn't it? Data scientists are fantastic at building models, but it's the IT professionals with MLOps skills who actually make those models work in the real world. You are that bridge we were talking about. So here's the bottom line. Your expertise in IT operations isn't about to become obsolete in the age of AI. It's actually the missing piece of the whole puzzle. It's more critical now than it has ever been. It's the key to solving that 87% failure rate. So the only real question left is, are you ready to be part of the solution?